Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. And also in this video, in addition to the unboxing of what's in this particular box, I am going to share one of the giveaways for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This one is going to be a Dooney and Bourke. I will share in a separate video the Coach giveaway. So there will be two for the 2,000 subscriber milestone. So just a heads up of what's in this particular video. But let's start with what's in the box. And if you are new to my channel, Lord, me and this box cutter are not. The box cutter doesn't want me to be great today, should I say that? But if you're new to my channel, and as you continue to watch, if you feel like that you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. All right, y'all. So we see some fuchsia and an accessory. So let's go ahead and get to unwrapping and inspecting as well. Y'all know how I do. Okay, so well, you can already see this, so I'll go ahead and unwrap it. I'm checking out the bag to see if I see something that will let me know what I'm going to look for inside. I don't see it on the outside of the bag. Those who know what I'm looking for. But y'all, this is a Gina satchel in the beautiful color of fuchsia and Florentine leather. And this is the information for it here. This is 25 of 100, and this has a shipboard date of February 28th, 2025. And this particular unboxing and purchase, I am blaming this on Dooney 2024, or is it Dooney and Bourke? Let me double check. Okay, yes, it's at Dooney 2024. Shared this particular sale item on her community post, and it did not have a picture. I'm not sure if there's a picture on the website now. This was on the, or is on the I Love Dooney website, and I believe the only picture that was listed was maybe natural, but the fuchsia was listed where you could see the silhouette, but of course there was no picture. So y'all, I went ahead and grabbed it. I believe it's still on sale. I am going to upload this video on Wednesday, April the 30th. And this will be my last Dooney and Bourke unboxing for a while, because I am going to begin 16 days of Coach in May. Last year I did 16 days of Dooney and Bourke in May. This year I am doing 16 days of Coach in May. So you all, with this unboxing, like I said, I'm going to share the giveaway, the Dooney and Bourke giveaway for my 2,000 subscriber milestone. And then on tomorrow, which will be May 1st, I will do the unboxing and kick off the 16 days of Coach in May and share the Coach bag that will be a part of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway as well. So as you see, this does come with a pretty big dust bag. This does have the authentication label inside, y'all. So it is right there under the key leash. The fuchsia does carry out inside with the red lining. So you have the fuchsia leather patch, fuchsia trim, the sticker and the registration card. And then there's a slip pocket here in front of the zipper pocket, and it all has the fuchsia leather trim on it as well. And then two slip pockets here on the front side, one bigger than the other. So just from looking at this bag, y'all, it's looking flawless, which is good news to me. The closer I got, it turned red, so I have to be careful with that. But it does have the leather patch there, the Dooney and Bourke leather patch. It does have feet. And this is the back side. Y'all, it looks flawless. No complaints at all. Good news, good news. And now, as you see, it does have the shoulder strap, which can be extended to a crossbody. It does have it already attached. I am going to go ahead and detach it and put it inside of the bag. And then we can go ahead and open the next item. This is a keeper. I want to say this was about $140, and I believe it's still the same price. Depending on the color is how the sale worked for this particular silhouette in the Florentine. I can't remember the other colors, if it was black or just the natural only, but I believe this color was the lowest price. So that's very good news to kick off hashtag spring into summer with a fuchsia bag, and it was the lowest price of the other colors. So no complaints there, y'all. And this is a close-up of the handles. If you would like to see, it does have like a brown glazing on the bag. So let me just do a 360 for you. If anyone is considering the Gina satchel, or if you already have one and you're possibly considering this color, I can absolutely say that this fuchsia, you cannot go wrong with the fuchsia Florentine. It's beautiful. All right, so let's get to the next item. And also, if you do have any other accessories and you don't have any fuchsia accessories, I do have my Art Deco here. This goes with the fuchsia very, very easily and brightens it up as well. If you have plumes, this is the pink plumes. This can also go with it also. So, you have options with the fuchsia. You don't have to have a fuchsia wallet to match, but if you do want a fuchsia wallet, whether it's a long zip around like this one or a smaller one like this one, this is an option as well. I'm not sure if these are on sale now or not. When I got it, it wasn't really the best sale price, I would say. I did use a coupon with it that helped. But if you know this particular silhouette of a wallet, it is pretty popular. So sometimes all of the colors go on sale at once. Sometimes certain colors go on sale. But like I said, if it's on sale but not the best sales price and you have a coupon, then that definitely helps out. But this is the small zip around wallet. It's a full wallet with the zipper, which I love. A place here for your bills. And then you have 8 card slots total. And no space under here. But you do have a zipper on the back. And this is the color fuchsia to match the Gina satchel in the background. Perfect match, y'all. And the interior does match the exterior. All fuchsia everything. The closer I get, it looks red. So I'll try to keep it there for you all. So that's that beautiful set. And now I am going to go ahead and share the bag that I will give away, the Dooney and Bourke bag that I'll be giving away. I did unwrap this bag in a previous video. So this is the bag unwrapped. And let me go ahead and move the Gina satchel out of the way. Put it somewhere safe. This is the Amy drawstring in the color black. I did unwrap this, like I said in the previous video. The side of the strap adjusts according to a buckle. The other side does not have any adjustments there. So all of your adjustments are just going to be on that one side. But this is a beautiful bag. It does have feet. This is the color black. And it is pebble grain leather. And you see the tassels here for the drawstring. And let me give you a look on the inside. This is the inside, and I will include the measurements on the screen as well. Dust bag, and the zipper is a little small to me across the back, but you do have a key keeper and the Dooney and Bourke authentication label, and then you have 2 slip pockets here on the front side. Excuse me. So this is a good size drawstring bag, and you can kind of see it does have some give. It's not a stiff bag, even though it is pebble grain leather. It is soft. So y'all, this will be the Dooney and Bourke giveaway. It won't be this exact bag. Lucky for you all, I did get a second one, and it was not on purpose. When it arrived, I had 2 of the same bags, and I went back and looked at my invoice, and I saw 2. I did not notice it when I ordered it because it was such a good price. I guess that's why I didn't notice it. But this is the bag that I will be giving away, fully unwrapped, fully wrapped, not unwrapped. So it's going to be fully wrapped. And ready for you to unwrap it and enjoy it. And of course, you all, I have to throw in an accessory. So I do have also a black medium wristlet. It's gonna come along with it. This is similar to my giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway for the Dooney and Bourke. It was a different drawstring. It was Sorrento, but I did include a medium zip around, a medium zip wallet as well. So the accessory is the same, and it does have the Dooney and Bourke metal plate on the front of this as well. But this is the actual wristlet that you will receive unwrapped. Not unwrapped. I keep saying unwrapped. Fully wrapped. And the purse will be fully wrapped. So this will be the Dooney and Bourke prize for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. You would just need to comment on this particular video that you would want to enter, or just comment drawstring bag. And if there is someone that you believe does not know about my channel, you can tag them or include them in your comment to tag them, and that would be your entry. So for the Dooney and Bourke giveaway, I'm going to go through the comments for this particular video and do the entries that way, and I will do a drawing. The drawing will be on, it's either going to be May 16th or May 17th. I'm going to do the drawing. And I'm going to do the drawing for the Dooney and Bourke bag and the Coach bag. It's going to be in the same video. So that's it, y'all. That's the unboxing of the Gina satchel. And then also a good view of the Dooney and Bourke Amy drawstring bag that I will give away. And you will get to unwrap your bag and your accessory. So it was very fun the last time when I did it for the 1,000 follower subscriber giveaway. So I'm looking forward to this one as well. And I'm glad to be able to do 2 different ones this time, 2 different brands as well, Dooney and Bourke as well as Coach. So that's it, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll also include the measurements for the Gina satchel on the screen as well. But I look forward to reading you all's comments and as well as your entries for the drawstring bag giveaway for Dooney and Bourke. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I can't say it enough how much I appreciate you all. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.